Have you been looking for a new construction home in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of the Patterson floor plan by Mungo Homes right here in Suter Estates in the Powdersville area of Easley, South Carolina. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And we get calls from people like you all the time looking to move to this area. So whether you're looking to move in the next 30 days or in the next 3 months, go ahead and feel free to reach out. Our contact information are all in the description box below. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move to the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Now let's check out the Patterson floor plan right here in the Suter Estates, which is a gated community right here in Easley, South Carolina. All right. Now this neighborhood is brand new. There are people that have closed already in the neighborhood here that do live in the community. So it's a very small community. There are 31 lots in this community currently. Now they might expand that to about 40 lots if they decide to expand the neighborhood after they're finished, okay? It is a gated community. The gate's not in right now, but it will be in, so it'll be a gated community. Now, this Patterson floor plan is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's a little over 4,500 square feet, and it does have the brick front. The sides are hardy plank, so it's cement board siding on the sides and the back. 3-car garage, and you do have a little extra pad there for turnaround and to park additional vehicles on the outside. Like I said, this is hardy plank siding, which is cement board material, so it's not like your vinyl siding that's a lot softer material. Okay. And let's go down the sidewalk here and check out your home here. And this one does have a small front porch. Now we did a tour on a couple of other homes that are available for sale in here, and those did not have the front porch, and this one does. So this is the most expensive of the 3 and the largest of the 3 as well. And in the formal dining room, you have the coffered ceilings, and obviously you have the moldings and trim there. And on this right side here, you have the study or your flex room. Ceiling fan in there as well. Okay. LVP flooring throughout the main level. You got the hardwood stairs as well. And storage space underneath the stairs, so it goes deeper there. And you got a coat closet here, and we'll go to the other side in a moment. The owner's suite is on the main level here, so this is your primary bedroom, and it does have a small sitting area right over here. Walk-in closet, tray ceiling, lots of crown molding, nice wide baseboards throughout this home. Okay, so you have another walk-in closet here. So you've got 2 walk-in closets in this home. Tile flooring, and there is no bathtub in this one. The other 2 did have a tub and a shower. This one does not have a tub. Double sinks, and you do have a huge shower here. It does have 2 seating areas, 2 shower heads, and obviously you have the extendable shower head there as well. Water closet. see no carpet in the owner's suite. And gas log fireplace, it does work off of a switch. You got the powder room here. And the butler's pantry. Nice long hallway that leads into the formal dining room area. So a really nice long hallway there. Okay, lots of cabinet and counter space and beautiful granite countertops. You got, maybe you can fit about 3 or so bar stools here. Breakfast area. Nice little brass gold fixtures, which kind of matches the countertop. You can see like some gold accent in the countertop there. And single bowl stainless steel sink and 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave, and you still have the crown molding that just kind of goes throughout most of this home. Okay, and it is soft closed drawers and cabinets. And this home actually has 2 laundry rooms. So there's one downstairs and one upstairs. So you've got laundry room here with some built-in cabinets and a sink in there as well. And the pantry, not very, very big. And your garage, it is a 3-car garage. So you got 2 on this side, and then the one is on this side. Okay, there is a sink in here as well. Tankless water heater. Got the sunroom right here behind the fireplace. Lots of windows in there. And we'll just check out the backyard while we're here. Got a deck out here. And it does back up to some trees back there. Not sure what would happen to that in the future, but right now you got some trees back there. Nice vaulted ceiling. So it's your 2-story great room, 2-story foyer as well. And like I said, this property is available for sale right now, listed for $854,000. And the builder is offering up to $10,000 in flex cash for these homes that are already built. And if you wanted to build it from scratch, they do have some lots available where you can build it from scratch, and you get up to $12,500 is the current incentive as far as flex cash goes for a to be built. Okay, let's continue. All right, so let's get our bearings back right here. So as I come up, the stairs there as you come up, so it opens up, and you get the foyer area there, and a bedroom here, walk-in closet. You got the ceiling fan as well. Another bathroom, tile surround. You got the niche right there, tile floors. Another bedroom, 2 windows in here, 2 closets as well. They have double doors for each closet. Okay, and then this is the attic access. As you can see, you got the same luxury vinyl planks in the landing area here and the hallway as well. Nice little view from here. And this is the bonus room. So there's 5 bedrooms plus the bonus room. Got the double sinks in this bathroom, towel surround around the tub shower as well. And right here is the second laundry room for the upstairs. So the owners get to have their own laundry room downstairs, and whoever lives upstairs get to have a laundry room up here. So you've got another attic access here as well. We're dark in there right now. Walk-in closet in this bedroom. And final bedroom here. This one also has a walk-in closet as well. So, like I said, this one is available, $854,000. The builder is offering up to $10,000 in flex cash. If you do build, there are 22 lots left currently to build on out of 31 lots in this community. So if you wanted to build, you have 22 opportunities to be able to build what you wanted. They do have other plans to choose from. If you wanted to see some of the other plans that are available right now, you can search our other videos. You'll be able to see the other homes in this Suter Estate neighborhood. Very small community right here in the Patterson area of Easley. The builder could expand the neighborhood and add a few more lots if they decided to after they finish. Right now it's 31 lots, but that could change to about 40 or so lots when they finish. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the greater Greenville area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can scan that QR code or click the link below to schedule a time to chat with me. All right, have a fantastic day. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.